Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Today let us find out how much fat should you eat to lose weight, its benefits in losing weight, ways to include the same in your daily meals, which follows with a healthy salad recipe. Let us begin. Fats are considered as an enemy for people who want to lose weight, though it facilitates absorption of vitamins and improves brain health, skin health and hair growth. When you are trying to lose weight, it is essential to intake unsaturated fat, which depends on your calorie intake. 25% to 35% of your daily calorie intake from fat is recommendable. Some foods rich in monounsaturated fats are olive oil, avocado, almonds, pumpkin seeds and sesame seeds. Trans fat in processed foods is more likely to cause weight gain and thus you have to avoid it. Now let us know the benefits of fat in weight loss. Fats make you feel full for a more extended period, consequently demanding less food in the latter part of the day. Including healthy fats in meals keeps the blood sugar level balanced throughout the day. Essential fats like omega-3 are vital for optimal functioning of the heart, brain and body cells. Fat makes our food delicious, thus it is imperative to add it in the diet. However, we should not crave for unhealthy fats like refined oil and trans fat. Now let us see the ways to include fats in meals to lose weight. To lose weight, you need not avoid fats from daily meals, but instead should choose healthy fats over the harmful ones. The saturated fats found in junk food such as fries, pizzas and burgers shall be avoided. Supplementing trans fat with good fats can help one to shed weight soon. Now let us prepare a salad with healthy fat. Please note down the ingredients. You need raw pumpkin seeds 2 tablespoons, sesame seeds 1 teaspoon, almonds 5 sliced, carrots half cup grated, tomato 1/4 cup chopped, cilantro 2 tablespoons chopped, extra virgin olive oil 2 teaspoons, lemon juice 2 teaspoons and honey 1 teaspoon. Note down the method. Take a bowl and add all the ingredients. Mix well and serve. Thus, you may include low-fat foods in your diet. Keep a count of calorie intake and remember the portion control for all the foods you eat. That may help in weight loss. Thank you.